Welcome to Dr. Upasana's math class. Here we have a question which is larger. Whenever we are given exponents and we need to compare them, we actually either we need to make the base same or we need to make the power same. Okay. How can we do that now? This is 3 and 2. We cannot make the base same. So what we will do instead, we will focus on power. If we look at the power, do they have same common? Yes. This 75 can actually be written as 25 times 3 and this 100 can actually be written as 25 times 4, right? This a raised to power mn can be written as a raised to power m raised to power n or a raised to power n raised to power n, right? So can I write this as 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 25, 2 raised to power 4 raised to power 25. This is nothing but 27 raised to power 25. And this is 16 raised to power 25, right? So this one is actually greater.